office calls at night. Sleep comes hard the night before, still screaming for chemicals and roller coaster ride. It's alright, you can keep lying to me. It's alright, you can keep dying on me, but there's nothing down the end of your garden gonna turn you away.
And hopefully, I mean, it was a great. Oh, it's only during the summer there. I was coming home from the shops one night, and I seen this girl being her and these two guys are having a fight, and myself and this other guy walked down. He was turning out to be a Polish guy, and the two of us sat on the wall just for a minute to sort of go. We thought this girl was going to get a hiding, like, but she walked off, and I said to him, "We got chatting." He asked me for a smoke. He came back to my house for a few beers, right? Yeah, kidnapping people all the time. Like. Came back to the house for a few beers and playing a few tunes. And there's a song on the album called "Would You Call Me By My Name." We might be changing the name of it, but at the moment, "Would You Call Me By My Name." And I played it for him, and he was telling me the story that he missed his girlfriend. He was over in Ireland about 2 months. His girlfriend, his partner, was back in Poland, and he was missing her terribly. And I said, "Well, look, the only thing you got to do, man, you got to go. She got to come here. Being apart doesn't work, you know." So, in the meantime, he gave me his phone number, and I tried to get him a job. He'd no money. He had about 40 quid left to do. And I eventually did get him a job. He never took it. And he knocked on my door about a week later. And the reason he knocked on my door was to tell me that he was going home to Poland to the girl, and he knocked around to hear the song one more time.
Oh.
And it was that song that made him do it, you know. And when he was leaving, he says to me, "I promise you this, man," he says, "someday you're going to meet this girl. I'm gonna bring her to Dublin, and you're going to meet her because you've got us back together," like, you know. I was chuffed, like, absolutely chuffed, you know. I was like, wow. You know, so it's quite a compliment.
It's quite romantic, isn't it?
It is really romantic, but it's. I mean, if you can do that to somebody with a song, I mean, where's the harm, you know? It's
Perfect.
It's powerful. It is powerful.
Ah, yeah. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you.